Nuke Performance, high-flow inline slim series, fuel filters, available with 10 and 100 micron filter elements, in both cellulose and stainless steel. Slim, designed to fit installations where space is an issue. This lightweight inline high-flow fuel filter, with its new improved lightweight design, is equipped with either a classic cellulose filter element for petrol or with a unique Nuke Performance welded fuel filter insert that is 100% proof for alcoholic fuels such as ethanol.